What's next for the Williams Institute? As we look to the future, we're going to be making sure that our research informs anti-discrimination protections throughout the United States.
Currently, there are 28 states in the South, Midwest, and Mountain regions that do not prohibit discrimination against LGBT people. I am doing research that documents ongoing discrimination in these states and shows that laws protecting people from discrimination would not be burdensome for state governments to enforce.
We're going to focus research on the most vulnerable segments of the LGBT population, including LGBTQ youth and the transgender population, to make sure we have policies that address their needs.
Colleague Jody Herman and I here at the Williams Institute are working with the California Health Interview Survey and, for the first time at a population level, assess gender identity and transgender status.
One of our new focuses is criminal justice issues. We recently published a report documenting discrimination, harassment, and violence by law enforcement officers against LGBT people. We're developing a robust research agenda and helping expand the availability of data in this area.
Here in California, for the first time, we've obtained data that shows us how California uses their HIV criminalization statutes to target people living with HIV.
And we're going to take what we've done so well domestically the last 15 years and work with partners throughout the globe to bring research and strategic education to benefit LGBT people everywhere.
One of the questions that we're trying to answer is whether countries with emerging economies can continue economic growth and pass laws to protect LGBT people at the same time. We looked at the economies in 39 different countries in Latin America, Asia, and Africa. And our research has found that economic growth is consistent with passing laws and protecting human rights for LGBT people.
We're trying to find new ways of presenting our data through data visualization projects, through social media, through e-blasts, to make sure that as many people as possible understand more about the LGBT community and how legal reform can help improve the lives of LGBT people.
What's next at the Williams Institute? Just like the last 15 years, we're looking ahead to do research on LGBT issues that informs law and policy.